I do want to start off by saying that this was my first time attempting this ponytail, so of course it isn't going to be perfect, so just bear with me. I'm starting this style off by flat ironing my client's hair, and I'm using very low heat. I'm not getting it bone straight. I'm really just focusing on the roots, but of course, the straighter you are able to get this, the more flat your ponytail will be. So once the roots are expressed to your liking, you want to split the back half from the front. Now, working in sections, I'm going to take this Got To Be Freeze spray and just spray each section and comb and use my blow dryer to form a ponytail. And guys, this is the hardest part of the ponytail, so really just take your time and make sure that you can get it as flat as possible. and you attach the other half to the ponytail with the rubber band. And if it's hard to understand from me saying it, then go watch Braids by China's video on YouTube, and her video is very helpful. That's how I learned how to do this ponytail. So once again, I'm sorry that I messed that part up. So the next step is just taking a piece of the braiding hair off the top, and this is what we're going to use to make our base of the braid. And we're going to use Got To Be spray and keep wrapping this around until you get it to the size that you like it. And make sure that you make this really secure so that the braid does not slip or slide or move anywhere. And now for the fun and easy part, you just want to split this into 3 sections just as if you're doing a regular braid. And to keep the braid really nice and full, I do feed in pieces as I braid down. So everything else you'll just be able to watch as I go along. I hope this was helpful for any beginners, and this is my final look. I hope that you liked this video, and don't forget to like, comment,